Pennsylvania include beans. These are green beans. These are squash. These are little ones. I have big ones as well. These are pumpkin leaves, squash leaves. I mean, you can grow pumpkin leaves as well. These are reddish green. And I also have color greens in there. These are reddish greens. These are my colored greens. There we go. These are colored greens, very young ones. So these grow in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So I made Sadza, Fufu, but what's different is that I fried tomatoes and onions in olive oil first, and I add red peppers, and while the salsa was boiling with the cornmeal, the water in the cornmeal was boiling, and then I add celery to the cornmeal and water, and then I took the tomatoes, onions, and olive oil like soup, and I poured it into the salsa. After that, I mixed it all together. Then I added curry. Then later I added coconut cream. And then you got Muboora there, which is squash leaves. These are not pumpkin ones. And I boiled them first with a little bit of pumpkin and some other little vegetables. And then later on, I fried tomatoes and onions in oil and pepper, and then I took the squash leaves that were in the water, I drained them, then I put them in the other pan that had the tomatoes and the onions and such, and I mixed it together, and then I added a little bit of the water from before that the water also had bicarbonate of soda, and then I put salt and flavored with a little bit of curry. And there you got some turkey, ground turkey. I cooked it first with water, then I added flounder fish, and then I added coconut milk, a lot, 1 can, and then after I added the organic coconut milk, I added tomatoes and onions and red pepper, and then I put royal masala, and then I mixed it up, and voila, this is what I have.